What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, An Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be working on the Sierra build. It's part 5 on the build. So we're going to try to get the bumpers back together. They're all back from paint, ready to go. So got the truck in the shop. So the biggest thing that sucks about taking something apart 9 months ago is trying to remember how the bumper all goes back together. So I took it all apart to get it color matched. So there's the grill that I'll be installing, and the bumper color matched now. I got the rear bumpers color matched, and then we got some other goodies. So let's open up the van, we'll see what we got, and then let's get to it. Guys, got the van unloaded, so we're going to be adding fog lights to front bumper. So I just picked up this kit. So it comes with a switch, it's fog lights. So we'll be adding those to it. Hopefully they fit in there. And then I ordered half this stuff so long ago, I never opened it up. So we got headlights, we got front lights, and we got tail lights. These are all smoked out LEDs, so it should be pretty sweet. Get those installed, and then yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna try to get the front bumper together first, at least get that on the truck, and then go from there, see if the fog lights fit, and be kind of a multi-step video. So I got part of the bumper together, I still got to put the brackets and stuff on it, and then I'll get it loaded up on the truck. So once I get it mounted up on the truck, I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, so got the fog lights mounted in there, got all my brackets back on. So if you're gonna add fog lights, it's easier to do it with the bumper off, I think. I did the cutoffs whenever I had this off before they painted it, and then to try to squeeze them in, I don't know, I did them before I put this bracket back on, so it makes it a lot easier, I think. So if you're gonna do fog lights, add fog lights to a bumper that doesn't have fog lights like this one. I'd probably just take it off and take that bumper off unless you can squeeze it in there, but it might be kind of a pain. So just ran my bolts up this way, a little bit easier to line it up. Got these brackets back on, so yeah, we're ready to go back on the truck. And then I'll get it mounted up there and give you guys a peek of what it looks like. And I also got a new chin spoiler coming tomorrow, so I'll get that thrown on there. I'm not sure what happened to the other one, if it got broken or lost or what. Like I said, it's been 9 months since we had the truck apart for paint. So yeah, just trying to pick up the pieces. When you got all your bolts and stuff in a box, you know, luckily I know it's just for the front and rear bumper, but again, you're trying to like pick up the pieces and remember where everything goes. So we're gonna get this thing mounted up. That's why it's pretty important, I guess, to get bags and mark everything where it came from. So, all right, let's get this thing mounted back up there. All right, guys, so got the bumper mounted up. Give you guys a shot what that looks like. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. So I got the fog lights, kind of got like a smoked housing on them. So start working on the back bumper, and then I might work on the grills and the lights in this video also. But could be a side shot. I think it looks way better. So let me know what you guys think down below. First time checking in, this is a Sierra project. Hopefully have it done for a Daytona truck meet this year. It's coming up in 1 month, so you guys are just seeing this video. Daytona truck meet June 11th down here in Daytona. So I'll have this down there and have my F-250 down there. The vans went the last 2 or 3 years, but it won't be down there this year. So just have these two entered. I actually got the things in the mail today, so I'm gonna start working on the back bumper. But man, check this out. Hold up, before I do that. So here's my grill. Show you guys some of the vision. Top 2 clips real quick. Look at that. Man, that looks good. So we're gonna get this thing knocked out and get the back bumper on tonight, and then see about putting some of the lights in and go from there. So let's get to it, get to the back. Alright guys, what is up? So I got the back bumper on the truck and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. So alright, got it installed, nice color matched. I think it's gonna look good. So try to get the tail lights in tonight at least. I don't know if I'll get the headlights in. There's a DRL light and stuff to wire up, but tail light should be pretty cool. So let's get those things opened up. And get them installed, and I gotta pop the tailgate because when I was at the body shop they broke my handle, so got a new handle for it, but I gotta get a new bezel too because of course the bezel's plastic and unclip it and it broke. Looks like somebody already skunked it up in there, so don't want to do that. I'll just get a new bezel for it. So let's get the tailgate down and then start putting these taillights in. Alright guys, so before I go putting the taillights in, I went ahead and got LED bulbs for my reverse lights. So just gonna pop it in reverse and make sure that they come on. Alright, so reverse lights are working. Bulbs are good. There's actually the harness underneath when they have the bed off to paint it. Harness wasn't plugged in all the way, so easy fix. I just wanted to make sure the lights come on before I go putting it all together. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted up. They already come pre-wired, so you just gotta plug this into the light socket and then the lights screw in there so they're still watertight. So we're gonna get these things installed and I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, check them out. Smoked taillights. They look pretty sweet. Let's turn these things on and see what they look like. Nice. So I got the halo style running light. And then let me turn the I think those things look awesome. So I'll put a link down below where to get these taillights. And yeah, so this is probably where I'm gonna clean up tonight. And I appreciate you guys checking in. Thanks for watching. Oh, shoot, we can put these, I got new tag lamp bulbs too, so we'll go ahead and throw those in real quick. Alright guys, so we got some LED lights for our marker lights. So sorry about that, but pretty easy install. Just pop these bulbs out and then plug in, and you just snap them in place. So let me get that done real quick, and then I'll show you guys how bright they are. Alright guys, and again with LEDs, I always check, make sure I turn on the lights. Just want to make sure that they light up. See, like that one does. So this one, what I do is unplug it, just to make sure come on before we go sliding them in place. But those things are super bright, so get those popped in, and then yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet. All right guys, there she is. So got the bright white tag lights. I think these tail lights look sick. So hopefully they hold up. Like I said, I have a link down below for them. And then of course we got the bright reverse light. So that's about it, man. I'll wrap up this video. If you guys like this build, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all the support. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, so that's super cool. So we'll continue on the Sierra build for a Daytona truck meet, and hopefully we'll make it to Slam Fest 2 over in Tampa coming up in the fall time, and what other shows we can get. So that's it. This truck looks super good, man. I'm super pumped to see how it turns out. So we're gonna get cleaned up here, wrap up this video. See you guys on the next one. Appreciate all the support, and y'all have a great one.